Get the floating cutter.
To the top.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, this has got to be it. This has got to be it.
What?
What the hell? What the hell?
It's Ricky Saints.
Looking right at Cody Rhodes. Hoisting up Javon Evans.
Oh,
Far from grace. And history rewritten tonight.
Man. Honestly, that ending super defeating. So, Ricky Saints has turned heel.
Then he turns his attention now to Cody Rhodes Saturday. But what has gotten into Saints? Is this what Ricky envisioned? I'm in absolute disbelief at the actions of our former champion.